Welcome back, everyone. I'm so excited to share this website with you, especially for those teachers who are interested in doing creative writing solutions in the classroom, at the same time teaching the children digital citizenship, and at the same time really enhancing their ability to be information producers, not just consumers. So let me get into it. This website is called bookcreator.com. So you just type that in, bookcreator.com, and this is what will come up. As you can see, you can create a free account. And with that free account, educators, you can produce up to 40 books. All right? Now, I know that most of you will probably just work with the free account. So this will be just a little overview. And then after that, now, you can really get into the meat of the matter with other videos. But for now, let me just introduce you to this. Now, what is it? It's an online resource where a person can create, read, and publish their work. All right? So if you're doing like story writing with the children, they can actually type up their stories, add images, narration, video, all sorts of things to their stories, and they can publish their own book. Now let me share with you one of the resources that is available. This one I really like, that was made by Common Sense Education or Common Sense Media. Some of you might know it by that name. Now here you have a book. All right, Pause and Think Online. And if you look, you flip through from page to page. You can click to listen, click to watch, all of that. Did you know that with bookcreator.com, your children can create something like this? Something like this. All right, I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you a little overview of what they can do. All right, so here now, you can see how Book Creator can be used for like social and emotional learning, for PE, for literacy, so many other things. It's a well-known resource, well vetted and everything in terms of privacy and features and all of that. Okay, so here I have where you can go through now, and you can see the different features and the different tools. Like you can get read to me feature for those students who might not be as well versed, or their reading level is below their grade level. All sorts of different things. Collaboration features, all of that. Now I created one myself called COVIDella. I created that little book and I created others, but that now I will probably show you in another video. Now I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in here and show you quickly what I have so far. There are even books there that you can copy and then make them your own, meaning you can edit it and go all over with it. Now here you will see on the screen that out of the 40 books that I can create, I have already done 3. Let me close that off. I have already made 3. And if you create more than that, what you can actually do is delete one of the 40 and then go into it. So here you have some blank books. That might be a good place to start if you have like a really creative student or group of students that would rather start fresh. Now, some of them might actually love like the comic book templates, the blank ones, just like that. Or if you don't want to start straight, you want to give them a little foundation to build from, then that is where the templates would come in. All right, so you could have a template for like a magazine or a newspaper. You could have like a class newspaper or a class magazine, where instead of one child producing an entire book, each child in the class could probably get a page to work on, and then you as the teacher could compile all of those pages into a magazine or a newspaper and publish it, so that the children can see their work not just in physical form on the classroom wall, but in digital form, something that they can email out or send a link out to different persons according to access rights and so on. You could do all of that. There are different themes according to colors and the different imagery and fonts and all of. Trust me, Book Creator has a lot of features, a lot that you can explore. Okay, so let me go back to my books because I want to show you my library. Let me show you the HFA Happy Faces Academy library, because of course I had to create a little thing there to show you what it is like. So I used one of their templates and I created Covidella. Alright, and in Covidella, instead of taking a lot of pictures on, so I just used up my Bitmoji pictures. If you want me to do a tutorial on that, you can comment below and I will make some time to add it to my long list of videos to do. But anyhow, in Book Creator, you can see here that I created my little storybook. And my little storybook here, I can always send it on to other people. I can go here, I can change the color of the background. So right now it's a peachy color. I can probably change it to yellow, change it to blue. You see, I can delete the picture. I can undo that if that was a mistake. I can type in additional information. All right, Covidella, whatever it is. And even some strong healthy people. You know, I just wrote a little thing to serve as an example here. All right. So Book Creator allows you to do all of that and have it all online. All online. So you have less stress when it comes to children using thumb drives and all of those things. Now, the good thing about this website to educators is that you can get certified as a book creator, a beginning book creator. You can join another library, or you can send out a code to the students to join your existing library. The possibilities are endless. Okay, so if you want me to do another video or to give you further information, you're free to do so. You can request that in the comment section below. But trust me, a lot of it is intuitive. So if you just get started, bookcreator.com, it will open a world of possibilities for you. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. All the best for the rest of the summer break. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is how you create a new book in Book Creator. You click on that little orange button at the top. And then, as I said before, you can start from a blank book. So I am going to start with one of these comics, the landscape one. And then it will generate that template for me. And I'm going to show you now that you can go right here and you can add more panels, that little plus sign at the top there, panels, speech bubbles, thought bubbles, text, stickers. Okay, so let's just start with stickers. On the cover, I'm going to put boom. Let's put boom there. And then inside, I'm going to add probably, some background and then add some more to it. So let us use this yellow and blue background. All right. And then I can even change the colors a little bit more, or I can just leave that alone. Let's go back. I can go now and I can probably add some more elements, like probably a speech bubble. This is so cool. I can't wait to show my students how to do this. All right. So let me go back on that orange and black plus sign and I can add maybe an image, or I can probably draw something. Let me draw something here. Load in the pen tool. Let's go with this paintbrush. Let it stay here on black. Let's draw maybe a simple smiley face. I'm going to draw it almost like a square. Give it ears. See, you can add all sorts of things here. Alright. Anything that you want there. If I change my mind, I can always undo or erase. There you go. I can erase all of that. But I'm not going to waste too much time with that. I just wanted to show you that it's a fairly simple process. You can go through, add background, add images. Let's try a little recording of my voice. Start recording. 3, 2, 1, counting down. This is so cool. I can't wait to show my students how to do this. So that was just a little 5-second, 6-second recording, and you can choose to delete it or to use it. I'm going to delete it because I only did that to demonstrate. Then you can go back here and you might want to add some panels since it's a comic strip. So I'm just going to add 3 panels here. Okay, this is so cool. Let me shift this up. See? As easy as that. You just click and drag. Now I wanted to also show you where you can go to get help. And also, suppose you want to search for something. You just click on that little magnifying glass at the bottom there, and you can just type, search our articles. I want to find out about certification. Enter. And there it is. Invite teachers to complete book creator certification. As easy as that. Become a book creator certified author. As easy as that. So hopefully this little example was helpful to you. Again, feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.